What up, Rico gang? Today I got something for y'all. We are doing something that nobody is doing, and that's we giving some advanced sneaker reselling tips. This is game that I don't really see a lot of people talking about. This is, you know, past sort of the beginner stage, because look, the truth is, look, everybody knows that the gist of the resale game is boom, buy low, sell high, right? You try to hit on raffles, you try to hit limited sneakers, and then boom, you sell them for higher on StockX, eBay, or locally, right? But the most common issue that everybody has, bro, is that, hey, I can't cop for retail, I can't win any raffles. So we kind of talk about how anybody can jump in the resale game even if you can't hit on hype sneakers. So man, let me know how y'all like this video, man. I love y'all. All right, so we got my boy Caesar in the building, and this is my personal homie. I actually met him here on YouTube, but kind of just put me on some games, some drops, helped me with some connections, bro. And so, you know, we kind of just built a friendship, and that's today, bro. This video is about advanced reselling, right? And you know, I got a bunch of beginners reselling content, but not enough advanced reseller content. And I was talking to you the other day, and you were talking about the idea of actually being in the resale game, but paying resale, you know, selling for even more, right? So first I want to ask you a couple questions about that, because a lot of people say, hey bro, it's hard for me to acquire sneakers on drops. And hey, you and I can both testify, it is hard. But outside of maximizing all your options, several different accounts, you know, entering all the raffles, what could you say with it being so hard to get releases? And like you said, you got several different Foot Locker accounts, Finish Line accounts. What are some other ways first that you would advise a beginner to, you know, start to hit on some shoes and start to cop some limited stuff?
To get bricks sometimes, just get shoes that will make you $10, $20, not only just to make the money, but also to build that clientele. Once you get a clientele that are willing to pay a little bit more over market, you can actually, I'm to the point right now where people hit me up, hey, I want this shoe. I'm like, say less, I can get it for you in 24 hours, but this is how much it'll cost. You know, I then after they say, okay, that's fine, you know, I go to OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, like I try to get it to the lowest price I can get it. If I have to buy 2 or 3 pairs of the same shoe, I do that because I know I can move them. It's been getting so hard to get shoes for retail lately that like I have multiple accounts, Foot Locker accounts, like the Flex accounts, like Champs. You know, you can only make so many that, you know, sometimes you only hit like 2 or 3 pairs, which is pretty good. But then, right, you know, you also have other people that want the shoe. So I have to buy it for a little bit more, like for resale, and then I resell it. But I keep profit, you know?
Right.
And that's what I've been doing lately, is building that clientele. I made the Instagram page about 3 months ago. Thanks to you and thanks to other people that have like a lot of following. You know, I'm already past 1,000 followers on there.
Hey, that's lit, bro.
I've been getting a lot of people. That have hit me up on there. I've done sales through there. So yeah, man, I would probably say that clientele, because people this day and age, like people want everything now. Like, you know, with Amazon doing 1-day shipping, you know, people want that now, you know.
Right.
So if you can provide that for a client, for a customer, you know, they're willing to pay, you know, pretty much whatever you're asking for. Just to the convenience where you can go pick up a shoe and then go and sell it to them right away. So yeah, I mean, that's what I would, you know, suggest people to start doing.
Right.
So because you can, you know, other than just getting shoes for retail, yeah, because it's been getting so hard lately.
That's something that a lot of people have kind of addressed to me, bro. Even in my Discord group, it's like, hey, bro, it's really hard to acquire shoes nowadays. Is it still possible to enter the resale game? And like I said, after talking to you, you kind of opened my mind, bro, to even create a video like this, because yeah, there is a way. And you, like you said, it all has to do with you building clientele and, you know, building up your page and, you know, your reputation and your legit. Now, I want to talk about this too, because that's something a lot of people ask is like, bro, how do I build up my sneaker, you know, Instagram page? You know, a lot of the times, honestly, bro, the advice that I give most people, bro, just because that's the only way I know how to do anything, bro, is to just keep at it, keep having heat, keep, you know, just like my YouTube videos, I'm going to keep trying to drop heat. I'm going to keep trying to get better, and I'm going to keep posting them, bro. And, you know, if they pop, they pop. You know what I'm saying? So that's the advice I give people. But, you know, you're somebody who I've actually seen. I think I maybe got hip to your page when it was when it was way lower than 1,000, bro. So talk about,
Yeah, I
more
think
about just how you did that. Do you use hashtags, or do you just,
yeah, hashtags, and every time I meet somebody, especially if they have over 1,000 followers, I always tell them, hey, can you please tag me? That. So I just sold a shoe. I sold 3 shoes to this girl. She has 10,000 followers.
right,
She actually just started working with me, and just from her following, like I got like 60 people that added me, and then like maybe about 10 people that have asked me for shoes, and I've only sold that shoe since Friday to her. So
right.
just hashtags, and just I try to be consistent. Like it's like the same type of pictures, the same style.
Right.
Um,
Neat,
you know,
clean.
my some yeah, neat, clean, like not doing too much.
Right.
Uh, and just having heat. Like I said, right now I'm buying for resale. I'm actually in the point right now where I'm investing what I made last month in profit from my shoes. So I made about $3,200 in profit last month, and that
Ooh.
was all for a week 'cause I went on vacation.
Right.
So what people ask for the most, and right now what's popping is like dunks. So like, I try to get them as low as possible and flip them because I can sell them for 250, 280 depending on the size. And a lot of people say like, oh, that's how much stores charge. But then again, if you go to a store like a resale store, you're gonna have to pay for tax. And a lot of people don't. Like I said, it's more of convenience. They don't want to go to a sneaker store.
Right.
They don't want to. They don't. I guess it's the overwhelming. Like, oh my gosh, so many shoes. I don't know what to get. That type of thing too. So whenever somebody comes to me, I tell them, what do you need? What size? What style? I can get it for you tomorrow.
Right.
It'll take me a day depending on the style. So
Right.
that's pretty much it.
Let's say it's a pair of shoes, right? Let's say I hit you and say, bro, I need a pair of cement fours. You know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna go back and you're gonna say, okay, this is how much they're gonna be. How do you go about finding a shoe in 24 hours? You know what I'm saying? Wouldn't you have to order some of these shoes?
Well, yeah, that's the other thing. Like I tell them, I'll try to get it for you as soon as possible. If they want it tomorrow, then I can be like, okay. So I go on StockX. I say that shoe's going for example, $500. So I tell them, hey, it's gonna be $550 for that shoe, and then I go to OfferUp, see how much it's selling locally. For example, yesterday I bought. Yesterday somebody hit me up. Hey, I need the green vintage dunks in a size 12 women, 10 and a half. So what I did was like, all right, bet that shoe's a little pricey. It goes for about $470 on StockX, so it'll be about $520 for it. So like that's fine. So I found a shoe in Dallas. I got them down to $400. So I went this morning to go pick that shoe up, and I sold it for $520. In less than 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? So it could be done. Like I've done that before. Same thing a couple weeks ago. Somebody hit me up. Hey, I need the bread ones, patent leather ones, size 13. I was like, how much you willing to pay? They said 400. I said, bet. I found the shoe for 300, bought it, took it right to them, made $100. And like I said, it's more of the clientele. You just have to have the clientele that's willing to pay for the shoe, because if they order on StockX, they might save $20-$30, but then again, they're gonna have to wait 2 weeks to get it.
3 weeks. Jesus, right.
So people, like I said before, people want it now. We're in the age that like people want that shit now, as soon as possible.
Right.
So yeah, I mean that's pretty much the advice I have for the new resellers, and I've only been doing this for shoes, like 100% shoes. I've been doing it for like 6 months.
Bro, you just dropped a $1 billion worth of game on us right now, because I'm telling you, bro, that's pretty good game, bro. And a lot of people, like I said, they say, hey, it's hard to get in the resale game, but this is proof that you don't have to hit on retail drops in order to get in the resale game. If you use your brain and kind of get creative, then you can kind of do that. Now, let me ask you this, bro. Tell us where we can follow you at, bro?
So my IG is limited. I call it supply, but it's without the U.
Right.
So SPPLY. And then that's my YouTube channel as well. Limited Supply.
Okay. We gonna
and I also ship. I ship as well all over US. I have an eBay account as well. I sometimes I'll sell shoes on eBay, StockX. You know, if I'm trying to get rid of them, or if I know I can't get that much for them, I throw them on StockX. But yeah, I mean, that y'all can follow me there. Like I said, I take requests. I'm in DFW, so Dallas
Right.
Fort Worth.
Yes, sir. Where is Liddy at? This where
Heck
it's
yeah,
Liddy
dude. The
at,
market
bro.
here, the shoe market's high here, man.
Right.
I've heard people.
Right. For sure, bro. For sure. So, all right, my brother, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, man. Thank you for dropping by, and like I said, bro, y'all gonna see a lot more of this guy on my channel. Y'all gonna see a lot more of him on his channel. But, bro, thank you so much. Hold on,
Thank
bro.
you, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, man, thank you so much for watching. If you like the content on my channel, I want to ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in learning how to acquire limited items, join my Discord. Not only do we share the information in there, but we also raffle off items, do giveaways, and all type of lit stuff. So join me in that Discord. Also, follow me on all my socials. I love y'all, man. Let's get it.